Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Honeywell T6 thermostat. So it's pretty simple. First, what you want to do is when you're going to have it on, you just want to press the menu and the plus together at the same time, just press it. Then what will happen is that you're going to get to this screen where you're going to have ISO. And what you want to do is just you want to press select first and then you want to press home. Super simple, and you can reset it. So first you're going to press the menu and the plus button at the same time. So press and hold it. When you're going to press and hold it, then the ISO is going to show up, and then you just want to press the select and home. So then first press select and then press home. But first press the menu and plus at the same time, and then you just want to press the select and then home. That's it. So hope this video helped you, and that's how it works. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.